Dear learners, how are you all of you? Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start chapter 8 and its name is Occupations from our social studies book. All of you should follow it carefully. Okay. If I ask you, what does your father or mother do? Then what will be your answers? Some of you will tell that my father is a doctor. Some of you will tell that my father is a teacher. And someone of you will tell that my mother is a nurse. Then these are their occupations or professions. Can you tell me what is occupation? And the answer is whatever we do to earn our living is called occupation. Now let's see how many occupations are there. Here you can see a tree diagram of occupations. As you can see here, occupations can be grouped into three types. These are, you can see here, primary occupations based on farming, dairy farming and poultry farming. Second is secondary occupations. What are these? Any industry based on farm products. And number third is tertiary occupation. It depends on the distribution of industrial products and other occupations or professions. Okay, these three occupations are interlinked. Today we will deal with primary occupations. Now, what are primary occupations? You can see here a chart of primary occupations. What are these? These are farming, lumbering, mining, fishing, etc. What can you see here? You can see here a farmer is tilting his land. Do you know when people started cultivation? You will be surprised to know that from the dawn of civilization means Shubhotar Usha Lagna theke, people started cultivation. And as the time proceeds, the process of cultivation has changed a lot. Now comes dairy farming. When we rear cows, goats, buffaloes, etc. for milk, keeping in mind the business purpose, then it is called dairy farming. I think all of you are familiar with the names of Mother Dairy, Metro Dairy, Amul, etc. Here comes poultry farming. Many people breed hens and ducks for eggs and meat, and they sell these in the market to earn their living. Then it is called poultry farming. This is a very profitable business for those persons. Lumbering or cutting down of trees in the forest, fishing and mining also come under primary occupation. This part ends here, and in the next class we will discuss about secondary and tertiary occupations.